Good morning. How y'all doing this morning? Just like that, battery low. But damn, damn, what was chasing me? Man, I pulled up at Kang Manor. Yeah, Kang, dog Kang, man, Kelvin, pulled up at the manor. About to get some things done. And yeah, see if he wanna, sure he wants to be on the camera. No doubt about it. But yeah, man, glad y'all came back, man, to support the dog, man. Old Beelo. Grab me a battery right fast. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. So when this one die, go ahead, swap them out real quick. Man, I put them keys back in my pocket. Yeah. Yeah. So, like I was saying, man, we over here at Kang Manor, man. He probably ain't even outside. Man called me and he ain't even outside. Oh yeah. Hard to see him with all this stuff going on back here. Yeah, don't be looking at me. What you trying to say? I'm late?
I ain't saying you late. You upgrade?
Huh?
You upgrade your shit?
What you mean?
That's a different camera than the last time I seen you.
That's not camera. I just got all this other stuff. My headphones and all this stuff charging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kang got a 426 he putting off in this thing. 427. Not 426. That's a mopar.
Yeah, the mopar.
427 he got off in here. He said, any one of you mother can get it. But anyway, so what mode is this? On the crate?
That's a surprise.
Oh, well, we ain't gonna talk about that no more. We ain't gonna talk about that no more. Kang over here giving out Sprite, no ice. Hey, y'all keep it up, huh? Yeah.
Slide over there.
Look at old Kang.
Slide that hill up.
Y'all see Kang over there, man. Kang said he's got something to do. Now let me put all my stuff down so I can help. You say it gotta come from the bottom or it gotta come from the top?
Come from the bottom.
Okay.
I already get my test fit, so I know where to go ahead and go get my hill fit.
Kang with this old NBS, man. Oh, it's pretty. Kang got some old pretty hitters. Show and go. Alright, well, y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see what I'm doing, man. So let me go ahead and help Kang get what he needs to be done, man. And I'll be back in a second. Then knock them over. Got you. Find the hole with a kid.
Be nice. Yes,
sir, man. We're doing a little work, man. Got my Chevy B shirt on, man. Shout out to Chevy, man. I don't remember Instagram. But shout out to Chevy, man. Got this little shirt, man. You know what I'm saying? This old shirt. I don't know if she gonna come back with some more shirts, but yeah. Kang said he want all the smoke. Whichever one of you niggas pull up first, holla at him. He said he got some new tail lights for you niggas to look at. Brand new. Ain't nobody seen them but y'all. Don't break that motherfucker, Kang. Alright, y'all, hold on. Camera shy. What we doing?
Put spark plugs in there.
Spark
Found out
plugs
we got oil pressure.
Oil pressure. Should have picked the camera back up, man, but he had me working, so had to focus. I can't be tanned up. Nothing I can't afford. Put the more spark plug down off in there, man. Got a little pressure. About to hear some clackety clackety. I know this is what y'all like to hear. A little clapping every now and then. As the church say, man. Yeah, once you get the battery ain't fully dead yet. Once you get the, what?
Turn it off.
The camera? Or this?
No, turn it off. Jump it.
Once we get these spark plugs in here, man, bring y'all back around here. And let y'all hear something, man. Surprising day. I didn't even think this is what it was today. We came over here, he called me to come over here and help him put a header on. I didn't know we had fire in the hole too. Y'all getting some bonus footage. P ain't even got this. Where you at, P? P out celebrating, so I figure I'll take over while he out celebrating. But yeah, I hit y'all, man, when get all these fire sticks in here. Got a little something out here, man. I know y'all seen this truck on Person channel, man. Got some unique touches, man. Real unique touches on this truck. Y'all shoot on over the 7A Chevy Boy page, man, to get the full detail on this thing, man. But it's a lot done to it. There's a lot done to it, man. You got all that good suspension up under there. Got all that good stuff up under there. US mag wheels, staggered, the 22s. Yep, 22. US mags. I think it looks like a 4-link. Look like. Gas tank back there. It's filling neck right there. Y'all see it connected up with P, man. Yeah, man, y'all go ahead and shoot on over the 7A Chevy Boy page, man, to get the full rundown on this truck, man. It's a nice truck, nice build. You know what I'm saying? 7A got the real footage on it, man. So I ain't gonna even go into detail, man. Y'all go over there and check it out. Yeah. Real unique truck, man. I like them headlights too. But yeah, let's get back to what we were doing. Hold on, let me make sure you got everything out the way. Alright.
phone?
Huh? Ain't got enough battery. What the battery at?
You go get out that fire chicken.
Who?
You go buy your battery.
Out the fried chicken?
Yeah.
I don't know about that, Kang. Fuel pump. There you go. Now what you do that fast? It's supposed to, ain't no damn what's called on it. Yep, that old battery did.
Get some more fire to it. Get another battery.
Fuel pump. Find the hole. Yeah. That's all we needed. We got action. We got some clickety clackety with the schmackety. All the rest of this shit you'll figure it out.
Start up too.
Yeah, probably so.
Waiting on my cooling fans, wire harness come so I can wire them up.
Yeah.
Ain't no cooling in it.
But you just heard it run, so you know everything good.
Get it one a little bit longer.
Kang say he gonna show out for y'all. Do some donuts. Yeah. Well, that's that. How you feel?
Feel good.
Now you wanna go do the donuts now, don't you? Yeah, whatever. Give you a week tops.
So what's left? I need the cooling fan wired up. Start putting fluids in. That should train me fluid good. They look gonna bring me a dipstick.
Oh yeah. happened to your dipstick?
It didn't move. Thing wasn't lined up right for me to get it.
What happened to the one that was there? Yeah. So we got old Kang. Y'all seen old Kang and fired up, man. Kang fired up in the NBS. So, yeah, my job here is done. I can leave now. I can
My goal is to try to get it going.
pick up my stuff and get to my part of the rodeo. But yeah, that make me happy. That make me want to start working on my car now. But yeah, so yeah, I don't think I'm probably not gonna catch nothing else. Man, that battery low too. Probably ain't gonna catch nothing else today, man. As far as footage, I don't know, but if I do, I'll pick the camera back up. If not, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, man. Mr. Ain't a Man himself. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Too long?